guys, it's me here. Today I am making a hair slick to the side bun tutorial because a lot of you guys asked. Those are the supplies you will need, obviously. I use a toothbrush for my edges, but I mean you could do your edges with these. I tried to do them, but it's like supposed to be slick. Anyways, you want to start out with the part. I really struggled with my part because mine is just naturally weird. But yeah, I just use this gray, I don't know brushes like that. I just use this gray brush. If you got this brush, use this brush.
Baby, how's your day? But today it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you already?
So when you're done with that, you just want to gather all your hair up and use a brush and like brush out all the bumps you have while doing it, and you're just gonna put it in a bun, in a side bun if you choose to do it that way.
Beat it up like.
So now that I am done, I start doing my edges, and how I do my edges is that's pretty much how I do them. I can't really explain it. I just do like the touch and then swirl. So yeah. Want to be a shout out in my video?
Yeah!
Say hello. Oh wait, hold on. Let me say anything.
Hi.
Put that shit all on my face. All of the way that you taste. Shorty come up in my range. See the stars like you out of space. Yeah, I know you had a long day. I see it all in your eyes.
Hey, I put your body on ice. I put your ass on the flight. On the drink and you know how to be. You know how to get on that BSOP, yeah. Can't hide your true colors from me, no. Hey. Jim, hey. I'm on the mender 'cause